back to my channel, Cute Amberers. I'm Amber, and I know I look different today because I got my natural hair out. Before I begin today's tutorial, I would like to say thank you because I have reached over 1,000 subscribers, and I'm so happy for everybody that supported me and been watching my tutorials, and I will keep making helpful tutorials and more videos for you guys. So thank you again. So in today's video, I am actually reviewing and using a brand new palette, which is the Morphe 24A Artist Pass palette. Okay, so I just got this palette a couple of days ago and I've been playing with it. It has a bunch of beautiful colors. It has 24 beautiful shades. The shades go from neutral, sparkly, there's a bold section which I'm really enjoying, and I really love the sparkly section as well. Okay, so I'm going to show you in this clip where I swatched it on my arm right now, and I am just loving all of the 24 shades in this palette. So my favorite part about the palette is that it has some bold colors and it has some sparkly colors. The sparkly colors, I really love the texture of them because it's not just a regular dry sparkle. It has some oil to it, and that oil inside of the oil or serum, whatever's in there, it helps grab that sparkle onto your eyelid or to your face, and it helps it stick on very well. So I would say my favorite shade in the palette is the Max Volume because I really love pink, and this is a very bold magenta pink, and it is very beautiful, and I'm wearing it right now. So the three colors I'm wearing right now is the Max Volume, Under the Sun, and the Major Inspo, and for the sparkly shade in the middle, I'm wearing the Invite Only. Okay, so pros. So there are 24 beautiful shades in this palette, so if you're a person that really loves to play with color and create different looks, this palette is for you. There's also a shade that I really like, which is called Spotlight Stealer, and I like it a lot because it has star sparkle in it, and it's really hard. This is actually the first palette I've ever seen that has actual star sparkle in it, where you can actually take stars and put it on your face, so I really like that about the palette. I love the sparkly shades in the palette. And the only con that I have about this palette is that I'm a big water mixer. Like, I like to treat my eyeshadow palettes like watercolor, and I like to mix the shadow with the water and then apply it on. But for some reason, this one has a hard time mixing with water, so that's why in today's tutorial, I actually used a concealer, like a concealer base, and it went really well because now the colors are very, as you can see, they're very popping. They're very bold, bright, and beautiful. So if you like this look that I am rocking today, stay tuned for my 24A Tropical Beat. So before I begin, my concealer, foundation, and setting powder is already applied. Okay, so for step one, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I'm going to be using it to set a base for where I'm applying the eyeshadow on both of my eyes.
Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy.
Looks like after I have set a base for my eyeshadow with the LA Girl concealer in white. And for step two, I'm going to bring out the 24A Artist Pass palette, and the first shade I'm going to be using is the color Max Volume, and I'm going to be applying it to the inner corners of both my eyelids.
Baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night.
Okay, so this is what it looks like after I've just applied the MAC volume. And for this tutorial today, I'm not going to be using water mixed with the eyeshadow because I feel like this eyeshadow palette works better dry. It doesn't really mix that well with water, so I've been packing it on dry. And for step 2, I'm going to be using the color Under the Sun, and I'm going to be taking it and applying it to the middle of my eyelids. I'm not going to take it all the way out to the end, I'm just going to be applying it to the middle. Okay, so this is what it looks like after I've just applied Under the Sun. And for step 4, I'm going to be applying the color Major Inspo, this purple shade right here, and I'm going to be applying it to the final part of my outline, right next to the Under the Sun. It looks like after I've just applied on the Major Inspo, and right now I have on Max Volume, Under the Sun, and Major Inspo. And for step 5, I'm going to be applying the shade Invite Only, this gold sparkly shade right here. And I'm going to be applying it right in the center of my eyelid over the Under the Sun. So I'm going to be using this ABH glitter adhesive to stick the glitter on, and I'm just going to be putting some right over the Under the Sun. There must be some kind of love. Every person could be you though. A pretty guy with a halo. But who am I kidding, please now? This is what it looks like after I've just applied the Invite Only into the center over the Under the Sun, and the 24A palette eyeshadow is complete now. And I'm going to be moving on to eyeliner. So for step 6, I'm going to be using the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Eyeliner, and I'm just going to be using it to draw a wing on the top of my eyelids. Understand what we could do around the world, say to Peru. We lie in bed till it's PM, eating breakfast when it's dark again. Let us be partners in crime. Okay, so this is how it looks after the Stila Stay All Day eyeliner has been applied, and I have drawn a wing on my top eyelids. And for step 7, I'm going to be using this Urban Decay Purple Eye Pencil in Circular Like Sister. And I'm going to be using it to draw a line on both of my waterlines. It looks like after I have just lined my waterline with the Psychedelic Sister pencil from Urban Decay. And for step 8, I'm just going to go back in with the Stila Stay All Day eyeliner, and I'm going to just draw a line right under that Urban Decay eye pencil. Okay, so now that my eyeliner is complete, this is what it looks like. And for the next step, I'm going to apply on some mascara to both of my eyelashes, bottom and top, and I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Bag Mascara. Okay, so now that my lashes are all combed out with the Lash Bag Mascara, it is time to apply some blush, and I'm going to be using one of my favorite blushes, the Black Up number 2 color, and I always use this blush whenever I wear purple or pink. And I'm going to be applying it to both of my cheekbones. There we go. I'm just going to be using the Sephora blush brush to apply it. Okay, so I just applied the Black Up blush in the color number 2. And for the next step, I'm going to be applying some liquid lipstick from the Sephora collection in the color Polish Purple, and it matches that purple shade on my eyeshadow perfectly because there wouldn't be a tropical beat without some lipstick to go with it. Okay, so this is what it looks like after I have applied on the Sephora lipstick in Polish Purple. And now my Morphe 24A Tropical Beat is complete. And for the last step, I'm going to be applying the Urban Decay Eyeliner Setting Spray to set my look. So I hope you had fun watching my Morphe 24A Tropical Beat tutorial. If you have any questions or comments, you can show some love below. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And if you click the bell, you'll be notified when I post a new video. Thanks for watching, loves, and stay beautiful. Bye!